Hey guys, what's up today? What's up guys? Today we are installing tow arms on the Mazda 3. This also applies to Mazda Speed 3s. We're replacing this tow arm with this tow arm. So, some tools you may need. You'll need a 17mm socket. You're definitely going to need a grinder. You definitely need a nugga-dugga. Breaker bar if you can't afford a nugga-dugga. And you'll need this in case it's a tight squeeze. This will also make your life a lot easier to burn the rubber off the bushing. So without further ado, let's get to work. So I've already broken the bolt loose. This is the first tow arm bolt right there. And that's the second tow arm bolt. So these actually came out pretty easily. If you look over here, I had to get pretty violent with a grinder and a sawzall. Violent. I ended up, this is the sleeve that the rubber bushing sits in, and I ended up having to kind of cut the bolt a lot because the bolt was seized inside the sleeve. And then also the weld nut that goes right here broke off, which that's not a problem. You can just buy another nut from the hardware store and it'll just make tightening the tow arm a little harder. But once you're done with that and you've taken your tow arm out, you just want to make sure the tow arm holes line up together. That way your alignment will be kind of close and you won't mess up your tires. So the GoPro died as I was finishing up the install, but that pretty much sums it up for this video. Just make sure your bolts are torqued to spec and make sure you get an alignment right after so you don't get any uneven tire wear. So that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.
Ah! Slipped off the nut.
Oh, put it back in.